Hi, it's Tom from Davison Orchards. Welcome again to our farm. And today we want to talk a little bit about apple juice production. Apple juice is such an important part of the value-added things that we do with our crops. And we've been making apple juice for decades. I remember when I was a kid, my mom and dad, Bob and Dora Davison, making juice with a little tiny juice press. And so we've been making juice for decades. But a few years ago, we moved our production up to our packing warehouse, and that's what we want to show you today. So the first step to making great apple juice is, of course, the apples themselves that are going to go into the product. And people are asking me all the time, oh, I guess you use your windfalls to make apple juice or pies or that type of thing. We actually don't use our windfalls at all for anything, because once the apples fall off the tree, they are typically bruised and even have cuts in them. And so we don't want to have that affecting the flavor of our juice. So the key is to use great apples, to start with fruit that's fresh picked off the tree, and then the real key is how we blend those varieties together to get the right flavors, the right sugar balance, and the right acids. Because the thing about our apple juice is that we put 0 preservatives in, there's no water, there's no sugar, it's just fresh pressed apples. And so we blend the varieties together as we're pressing to get that great flavor. So now we have the apples harvested and ready to go into the juice press, and the first job we're going to do is make sure that the apples are washed before anything else happens. So the apples go through a washing process, and then from there they're going to go up to the grinder. And it's amazing how fast the grinder can just crush those apples and turn them into a pulp, which is then pumped over to our press for the big squeeze. And again, this process is what we call cold pressing, so the apples are never heated in any of this process. So as soon as our juice is pressed, the apples are pressed, the juice goes directly into a holding tank for being processed by UV light. So UV light has been used for many years for making sure that drinking water is safe. It's a fabulous process because there's no heating in the process. So this is so important to the flavor of our juice. So the UV pasteurization gives us an insurance policy that the juice is safe and it still doesn't heat the juice and change the flavor. So that's what gives us the amazing flavor of fresh pressed apples in our apple juice. Make sure when you take your juice home, keep it refrigerated, keep it cold. That's what's keeping it fresh, because once again, there's no preservatives. So enjoy the juice, the greatest healthy drink that you can enjoy with your family.